At NAiSE, we empower companies with a do-it-yourself intralogistics approach, and Continental Automotive is one of them. NAiSE Intralogistics platform in this plant is in charge of traffic management, order management, complete industrial automation, and it seamlessly integrates fleet coordination of two different transport mobile robot manufacturers. We enable real-time communication between autonomous robots and manually driven vehicles, optimizing workflows and ensuring smooth operations across the plant. With NAiSE, every aspect of intralogistics is connected, controlling doors, traffic lights, and even dynamic stop signs projected onto the floor. Our platform manages the entire material flow, from automated storage to the precise execution of orders across handover and production areas. For Ingolstadt, this means increased efficiency and a highly optimized transport flow. The plant management team can oversee and adjust operations in real time, without depending on external intervention. For NAiSE, this project represents a breakthrough in intralogistics by connecting manually driven vehicles, transport mobile robots using VDA 5050, and robots with a native interface. We are unifying all aspects of industrial automation within a single platform. Looking ahead, we're excited to expand its capabilities even further, helping customers to transform their intralogistics operations worldwide.